bibiara miyeyo tisa mema kuhuntu wonyasa niweni jeswa na wachene radimeni ewo chudieni nukwariwa omiye radi before me shiranga mowo debiarado memani nyina beye wondia kata sami mabedi nukra mamia dawa yetini ni womeni mwa mikuni die beye wondia kata mikuni die Yeme madia,
ayeme madia. We Efris Thompson. Osi inkunimdie eye ne madia. Eye no kware. Nyankopon kuto wosoro ne asase eyefo. Ono nko na inkunimdie ekura no awode ma ne ma. Bra isemu. Mosomfo Nyankopon na koa awasomano entami Johani ananenso yasanhia bimu no damasi ewo mompaebo amode time achi omo time ene omo domi nyina no Yankopon nasomdwie enka bibia o sene bible mo yeti ase ese oto insugu adebonefo ene apapafo eno bae so no sa ne tie ene me pesa yenhye asem kitua bi enhye asem kitua bi yeka se achiwade ebo man ene yebekasa afa ho kakra na yahwe the National Sunday Law na hawa the Council of Nicaea tamwa the first the same Pope meeting omushiaye omode enema etoto akwan mu a omosesa Nyankopon asem ema emse empra bia ono so esoreye na empra na osoreye no emse AD 301 to 304 empra no emse odi Diocletian Diocletian osoreye Bible na wo wiase nyina no sa Diocletian AD 301 to 304 Anna Diocletian Roman Empire oshe Bible na oshe no ne tie ne se ema ase ohun se bibiri wo afiafie mu enti ofoso mo ko afie bia mu ana Bible ho omkoshe no na aya ene ese me kan comment ne kakra me kan comment kakra aya me kase edin Jesus Christ omu inventi ana enye ya chenkwa ni din no na me kire oni ntie enye dim ade bia asem bia me kan ha bia no proof ana minim de reason why ntia me kasa asem no by essence yensuan de enti no sa le beba no yensuan de Ghana anase yen enipa na nkasa ni mebiri na mpa disua enu ntina yakoso na ye giran ya be gira saa kosi wiase wieye na ye hu no kora so da kosi mpa disua na yenhwe ade yenhwe ade wi se tamwa Roman Empire ombedi ade no almost sanema bre almost sanema hwe ade egusi ne wo benkum no the alphabet of biblical Hebrew. Them say Israel ye Hebrew for Hebrew kasa ana omoka nti Bible no na Hebrew ana omo translate ye called say Latin, Greek and ebenya English. If you English no anene ene na musa kasa bi enya bi tini na Hebrew for letter C eni omo alphabet mu letter J enim tini ene guso no a wo hwe no akanfo twifo am say letter C yentro C twi yentro J twi yentro Z ti hayipa enti say amo translate every Hebrew aba Latin anase Greek a edin yen translate yen fa ne se obi kita enkran na ebia amo translate akọ brofo mu a anase aigbe mu a edin kita onipa no the same din na esom de ma no epacho ti na hye ade a meka ne nso yi pa edin kita onipa no sa din no ana ese omde ma nipa no yen edin yen translate se China news eba edin kita China ni no eno ana brofo metro ekoda go makasa mo metro eko French na no metro omon translate din simple as ABC yen translate din enti letter C eni Hebrew for omo alphabet mu letter J omo tro letter J enti adenti ena ebenya edin Jesus enti no even first word reference Jesus wrong. Second reference Christ Israel for entro or the say letter C alphabet in any go on name or say Aleph Bet Gimel Dalet He Wow Zayin Het Tet Yod Kaf Lamed Mem Non Samek Ayin Pe Set Kof Russian Tau and you know letter A silence Emma Hebrew and I say Israel for pronounce it letter A obe can so silence ewumu enti yanhwa yen twifo ye de on say ye de abed af ge hayike ope set uweye twi yen tworo C twi yen tworo J twi yen tworo Z enti ni say ye din bi obi kita akandin na ode kobrofu mu edin na kita no unya ne brofu din enti afei den ene benya edin Jesus Christ cause Israel for say ode mamen kan we comment ne kakra mamen kan comment kakra hwia ya hwe
as well the known potential that means for known risk they believe so. So because you are in the emergency
we Sami Jemfi on Ghana for penny for COVID-19 sensem yen hwe ade yen kan comment no kakra ne questions bi abanna yen flu entum where your what creation I said thank you for mentioning my name, I really appreciate it. Sanity enti obisa question B Anna Ajapa David I say Yeshua is in the Bible. Johanny, thanks for opening our eyes. Anna Ajapa David say the same as Samana no Santro ye. What creation? The question on the by I said Where can I find it, please? I really need to read that part to get insight. Now, I'm chiro. AD 325 and 21 and a Constantine. Mamini waiting chiro. Minshu and chiro. Nati ohwase. Say research no ye be yes research ye be yes I don't know about them. I say the Council of Nicaea 325 and I'm here the first meeting here 325 and the second meeting the same Council of Nicaea no and no Anna Pope or the same the dinu krana thank you also omudino wa Don Corinthian AD 301 to 304 ono number share momo sane omba sese wiase mra ene na hyede enti ose at Nicaea Constantine opened the first session meeting, first section meeting, Constantine, and played peacemaker between the traditional Catholics and the Arian heretics. About 300 bishops were in attendance. Later, 318. Many bishops still had the scares of the Corinthians persecution. The Corinthian no okunkun masa you say ye can dia Roman Catholic Constantine any bishop from be ye wiase we mu a me say someone ye kan say ye rating 100% where 0.1% and some making onti asieda e bia so for nkyere we osofo sansem we onka bi kura nkyere woda enti Pope Saint Sylvester I said I was too sick to attend, so he sent his legatus, instead Bishop Osius of Cordova, Spain. The deliberations took place in Greek. And Constantine the Great, the Council of Nicaea 325, and on first meeting 300 popes and the shire nane nkrofo we plan ye tie dipa no enya de papa enye ade papa entina ya brother bisa say ohu Yashua ewo book nim na ewo Bible ajo say Bible no ne omi film na address Israel for me say amo translate ade no firi Hebrew ana amo de ba Greek e ba Latin answer beja English enti edi no na Roman forces no on say the last time me show video bi eba Kenya West on say eno no I say in the beginning God created heaven and earth and only in the dia be she ho edi kita power edi kita tumi enu ti no bia be se oyisu onu so din sanya ye bebo ama eninyame ai kesi asa ankofo kura de ane me mpese meye o mayi ensam ne dos ha enti Emperor Diocletian in AD 301 to 304 the Roman Emperor Diocletian burned thousands of copies of Bible, commanded that all Bibles be destroyed, and decreed that any home with a Bible in it should be burned. Etu almost Bible we will be asking na, but no one can say original one no. It's no more library. I'm going to share ho. And the Pope phone kwaneko. pope fo nkwa na eden eneko no baby say ane eden ebenya bible omni ko gu ho nti ana omunim se ne omoye no enu nti na John Hus Martin Luther nom se omumu no mu pie firi because okokọ pope na obi hu no kware a okotena library no o kan bible na eso hu mu no kware enti omu so obi kita no kware nkyerɛkyerɛ na no machi wakum eno na ne Paul nom Peter nom de asam no ekoma ɔresan asuafo na ɛwɔ Rome na ɔmokɔ ɔmo chi wom ku ɔmo no because also ye Romanfo ye ne Yudafo ne nka enti temu a ya gye nkwa ya hwa ɔbaaye no Romanfo because that time no na Pilato ene ne di ade Pilato ne teso what you say enti abusua me mo bi ndadaw e betena ne ye kasa ye ntran kasa kekew ye nim ne ye hunu ene ne yate Bible say ne ye hunu ne yate no ena ye di hu adanse o say this book contains first Esdras books of Ephraim no second Esdras the book of Tobit the book of Susanna addition to Esther the book of Judith wisdom of Solomon Ecclesiasticus Baruch the epistle of Jeremiah the prayer of Azariah Bel and the dragon prayer of Manas first Maccabees second Maccabees book of Enoch book of Jubilees gospel of Netuaso bebre Roman fo na yi firi mu ana omo compile we no de ebre yen ana omo cho na omo pedihye mu omo cho na omo pe ana omo hihye mu ma yen na afena no kwara na pia yeyi na di na o ka kire enipa se edi Jesus Christ say adin and other dey nipa tim na dey so be yefiri mu say Israel for omo nchro letter G Israel for enchro or the sign letter C enti edin e friend say Jesus Christ ye benya wan bisa osofo nim osofo ko bisa no no kro nim to be si na chiro mu bisa ho Israel for alphabet letter J nim letter C nim enti Jesus Christ ye benya wan enti Israel for we a foreign name emam yanto aso enti yanhwa de holidays on be share was New Year's Valentine Day St. Patrick Day Mardi Gras Easter or spring yeah Mothers and Fathers Day summer 4th July Halloween Thanksgiving or fall Hanukkah Christmas or winter Roman for anyone be shema eni anyone be shema eni entisa Valentine's Day ne Father's Day Mother's Day ye celebrate no ya adwen say ye maame no ye papa na ye celebrate am o me nim no ma share dada Besa ne nkrofo wi ade nipa adwen ato no uhu da I said don't do pagan holidays. I only keep the time scriptural feast and Sabbaths. Please respect that. Halloween, Easter, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, etc. And in Halloween, idea aye Passover no. I don't mind Halloween. Halloween is mini say bebre na nim Halloween. Halloween bebre na nim. And or the sign Passover no. I don't mind Halloween. And a feast and unleavened bread. I mind Easter. Feast and or the sign first fruit. I don't mind Christmas. And the Pentecost the Pentecostal day, Pentecost no, amen, Valentine's Day, and a feast and trumpet, and amen, Mother's Day, day of atonement, Omen Father's Day, Anna tabernacle, and Omen Thanksgiving, and nipa bebre na Christians celebrate this animal way. Almost celebrate. Almost sano. Almost sanema. Almost sanema. And then pastor so church. Also or the Spirit of God. Or church. Secret wo nim o yin chiro. Because a hintano. Papa church wo nim o timi chiro mun chiro. Bisan say Israel fortunately letter C, letter J, onim oje na efiri Jufuo mu. Na efiri Jufuo mu a enti sa edin Jew no eye Yudafo ana Judea ana omo invert. Enti New Testament no amwa na ekura e. Sa na omo achoro no omo pe na omo de ahyem. Ana omo polish no. E say ababa say Old Testament no atwa mu. Sana on my Bible no. Sana my Bible no. Bisa say adenti na Bible no me bebere firi mu. Ana mo polish we di bere yen. Na wo ahwe say Romanfo etan Yashua agenkwa no a obi otan obi obetumi amedi ne ho adanse papa kire o. Otumi ni da. Adenti otan no. Yen hwa de. Days of the week. Name, origin. And the Sunday, the Sunday, the sun day, Monday, the moon's day, Tuesday, the day of the North, God time, and Tuesday. And in this, I am abusum denominator and naiso. Abusum denominator and naiso. Wednesday, the day of Anglo, Saxon, God wooden. Thursday, I a tall. Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Phrygia, a friend Phrygia and a freak. Wooden's wife, ni know your bar, and I'm little than Friday. And Saturday, Saturns. But send a Roman fire we are see no. Near my we are see no. Now we won't put Padia. Almost a son na. Almost a start time, almost a semi beer. Na or they say, I can quality no months son. So much me as we are jinkwadi no muntimi sesa. De no muntimi ye. Ye kan ni pe doubt. Me safe na elekorna adadio. Yankopon no kwafo. Na ye mfoso nipa se ensam na ye kan no munyini. Obaje de unyini o ade bia no kware no no kware. Yanko yelim. Religion and the religious life from the 2nd to the 4th century AD. When the gods of Olympus lost their dominion and Christianity with the conversion of Constantine to triumph in the Mediterranean apuse what a brofo Mediterranean world. Aye. Ruben Lane Fox. Pagans and Christians. Pagans and Christians. Me say nyankrofo ya wiase no. Eno bi say osofo say Esmas asechire ne san ya obachira say anom wa agenkwa no. Badi kan ka say ese nom de enwan kwadi no mkwo wo no. 25th. Ese ya wo no 25th no. Tamo obofo no eba Luke 1:26 no obofo no ba Mary nchen no o kire ne say bosumi nsia mu no owo na bosumi nsia June, July, August, September, October, November, December yedi on 6 months awo 6 months awo ana December bia so eye awobre suno to awo ewo mu Why our bar obey so ordinary nwan kwadidie ndada the church say Bible no there are some enema bu omu a oma dada nipa nanso no esa say forces eta akire ntino eno be kan den nipa ntie da obeka den nipa entie because forces na attach no eso forces na attach akire no eso mehwa ayibi na akyerew yanhwa assembly of Mark chapter 15 the verse number 25. Mark 15:25. Mark chapter 15 the verse number 25. Mark 15:25. Okay, yeah. Mark 15:25. Mark 15:25 no say na ebeye anopa no nkunu mu na wo born asendua mu hwade wa hawo ajenkwa no yesa ye born asendua mu tamben sama cho se bible no u read the bible uyo obi a wo kan bible pa be say bible no contradictions wo mu obi aye corrections bi obi ede ne nsaka obi aye ne manema bi wo mu on kan bible ti no won say oh we dey try in free aso Proverbs chapter 30 the verse number 6 o say emfa biribi nkan nsem ho enti aden enokwara chense enokware eya tro chense ya tro obi bisa say aden nyame te ho na nema wesi eso ma ho kwan because wiase no wagya hwodobone fo ne sa ade bia na wahyato obi en ese yadwuma anka bisa ho say adenti na obi timi koka nyankopon asem na ya kire ni twaniti awoseba awoseba enti Mark chapter 15 the verse number 24 said ebeye anopa no nkron mu na wo bonu asennua mu enti omsa ombo na asennua mu ahe 9 anopa o 9 o'clock anombo na asennua mu afehwade hwe ade ewo odesan John chapter 19 verse 14 to 16. John 19 verse 14. John chapter 19 verse 14 to 16. Ose na eye twamu no ensiesie da na ebeye awia dumienu na osewida fo ne said hwe me ho hini me na otiamu se fanoko bonu asennua mu Pilato si unse memma mo hene no asennua mu ana asofo mperifo bu ase yeni ohene bi se Kaisare ono na afei oyi no ma won hye se won ko bonu asennua mu enti na ha ose beye awia ase na eyetwamu no nsiesie da na ebeye awia dumienu enti ha ose 12 o'clock anom ko bonu asennua mu aha okay or say Mark chapter 15 25 na on set 9 o'clock anom bonu asennua mu which is which ya cho say contradictions bible na down Roman forces sanima bi ewo mu bisa so for say adentina we ba say ontimi kirew enti uromfo enema mba ye begu wiase we mu ne enema eso enema no so ye enti edin kita tuminti omoba omani ahini atwatuo o kan Daniel chapter 7 na ahini ene dikan eye Babylon ahini ana edikan no na Babylon for ana alisan medo Empesia Greek ana Roman Empire when ahini ana ewreni enti fourth empire no ono no bae no ti Daniel no pese wote sa aboa na se enso wante ase da bomodena kenkan ti Daniel 7:25 ose obebo di trim so obesesa emre ne mra obebo di trim so obesesa emre ne mra na kan Matthew chapter 24 the verse number 15 now. Messiah beka asembi. Osina se mu hu se achiwade e bo oman no. Ejina konkron bia ho a mu hu se brena so. Na achiwade e bo oman no yenhwe. Achiwade a e bo oman. Daniel chapter 9. Daniel chapter 9. For Daniel chapter 9. Verse number 26. Daniel 9:26. Osa na sa ebiri no achi no obetwa de wasra no atwene awren kan hwe na obrempon a obeba no mu no besai kuro ne kronkron bia no na wieye baye nyansramo so mu na kode beduru awieye amanfoye a wahye ne pintin no na oni bebire baye apam amuya din fie nson enti apam na omuye no 7 years 7 good years ase na oni bebire baye apam amuya din fie nson na ebere no mfimfiri no afesa ebere no mfimfiri 3.5 years aha na ebe hyase obema aforba ne ayede agyae na amanfoye ni achiwade no atifi na osaye befiri aba na obekoso akosi se osaye pasa awahye ne pintin behwie agu amanfoye no so afehwe Daniel chapter 11 the verse number 26 na one hour ne no to ensadidie no na ebesai no na wapia ne dom akọ na enipa bebire betoto na ahemfo banu de wana koma badwene ensamone na waka atorosam adidipuno baako ho nanso orinya mfaso biara efiri said awieye no beba awra ebere a wahye ne mu na atififam hin no de ne ahode akese besai akọ na sase so nanso nani besa apam konkron no afi aha na pam da adwuma apam konkron no nani besa na asa apam konkron no ara na ebeye de ose na obeye de opɛ na wasan akọ na sase so biri a wahye ne mu obasan aba anafo fam nanso achiri de no ere asa biri a wahye ne mu obasan aba anafo fam nanso achiri de no renya ne se akane de no verse number 30 Daniel 11:30 or say and the Romans it was in a kitifo the ashen beba ne so entina kuma betu na wasane na ne bube huru apam konkron no enti apam ben na yankopon ni Israel wo ne bibe huru apam konkron no enti apam na nanisa ayapam eda ho ayese homeda ana Roman fo beba sesa no elunti almost the national Sunday law ba a obi a ba sore sa okosom Saturday ana other day no on fan easy enti Revelation 13 emiati ase se obaye ohoni ni ama aboa no na ohoni na obahye se omadefo na hiafo nketwa na kese enkoto sorry because ni honi no ayemero de ate wo se Sunday worship international Sunday law esembe rise bio verse 1 say na odi asrafo betisi ho na wagu kronkron bia ne abanu mfi na wayi da afode no ho na wodi achiwade e bo man no asi ho na 1 hour bo apam no ho musuo no odi tachirema de besai wonara nanso 1 hour nim nyankopon no behye won ho den na wayade na omanum 1 hour nim de no bema enipa bebere anya hunumu tisane na yema enipa bebere anya hunumu no sa na tie nanso obatoto enkranta no o start say obi biara bɛka no kware biara bɛti ɔma persecute no ano ne ojaframa mu. Verse 37 na ɔremu ne nananom anyame tie ɔremu ne nananom anyame na ɔremu emma anigyedeɛ no ne onyame biara enti afe gay ni lesbian so ɔde besi hɔ turumu emra ɔsɛ emma anigyedeɛ no we na nkam Proverbs chapter 30 the verse 19 ɔsɛ aboa ɔkɔdeɛ ne kwan da ewiem ɔwɔ kwan da ɔbotan so ɛhyɛn kwan da po so abrante ho kwan da ɔba ho enti na gay ni lesbian ne de ɛyade a efiri titititititi anomre sa ne mane ba na emomu apam kronkron a Nyankopɔn ne ɔman Israel ana Hebrewfo ɛwɔ Sabbath day enti obotimi aka sɛ the whole world hwɛ nipa dodo ɛsom Sunday Pope nso de besi hɔ Constantine the Council of Nicaea 325 amukɔ meeting ana ɔmo de sa meeting no ɔmo de sanse de ne bae the Second Council of Nicaea the same thing ɔmo share so enkwasasam saa enti Daniel chapter 12 the verse number 11 or said na efiribiri a obayi da afɔde na wɔde achiwade ɔbɔ ɔman na si hɔ no yɛ ɛna apem ahanu aduɔkono enti achiwade ɛbɔ ɔman no ɛna apem ahanu aduɔkono 1290 days medical sa calculation me dada the National Sunday Law 2022 ebe fifa nema bi mu ebe hye se Sunday no bia fa nkwa sori na mibisa biem se Pope no adenti na all insist said Sunday ne nsa fa nkwa sori Sabbath nti se Sabbath date Sabbath Sunday no enye adwuma anka adenti ana osanse no abusiafo Joseph na ndaho no anya uromafo na di aburo a anka ensem be pia firi mu no nyensem ketwa ensem ebe pia firi Joseph mu no nyensem ketwa so uromafo ana di sa adwuma we na yanko akwa we so same gemfi na yentie nensem na okano
can take the drug, but we have not resisted it. Why? Because we are not done with our step. But this is the point I want to make.
Yentie no.
To know and deceive people to take the vaccines. Go to the other services.
Enti omo dada ese vaccine no yenwo ena obi adimika gidigida kokowo. Anka answer all the time FDA fo ama kwan say obi anwo. Yentie asema oka. Mesa asema asemi jemfika we bebrebe time. Bebrebe time.
And the Ghana Airport Company, in their directives, which I am holding here, have lied that the Food and Drugs Authority has registered and approved the 5 vaccines Pfizer.
The vaccines, you say I have 5. Pfizer, Moderna, and Takyo one ne ni akeka ho. O ti wasa kwa utupe. O ti wasa kwa utupe. Omicron de kura mae o woye. Agora na wudi.
AstraZeneca, Moderna, Sputnik V, Johnson & Johnson, they have registered and approved it. And so people should go and take. That is a lie they will pay for one day. Because you know what? This is coming from the website of the FDA. I printed it this morning. Anybody watching me, go on the FDA's own website. This publication is dated 28th October 2021. They published another one just few days ago, 11 December 2021, just 4 days ago. And they are saying that those vaccines have not been registered or approved in line with section 118 of the FDA of the Public Health Act. Because you know that in Ghana, before you can distribute drugs, they must be registered. They have not been registered. And what they have given is emergency use authorization, which is not the same as approval or registration. These documents here are the two guidelines, the only two guidelines the FDA of Ghana has issued on emergency use authorization. One was issued on 15th March 2019 when COVID first struck. One was issued on 5th February 2021 this year. And if you check page 16, paragraph 4.2c of their own guidelines, they say that none of the vaccines have been approved. They have been given emergency use authorization, which means we are in an emergency. There is no drug for treating a particular disease. A drug has been developed. From the limited data we have cause to believe that the known and potential benefits of the drug outweigh the known and potential, that means unknown risk. They believe so. And so because we are in an emergency, you can take the drug, but we have not registered it. Why? Because we are not done with our studies and our investigations. And so we cannot register it because we cannot conclusively say that the drug is efficacious and safe. And that is why when you come to paragraph 16, page 16, paragraph 4.2 of the latest guidelines, this is what the FDA says, or whether or not you can force somebody to take a drug like Pfizer and these COVID-19 vaccines, which have only been given emergency use authorization, which is temporary. This is what they say. This is not some agency. This is FDA of Ghana. FDA recommends. Because they talk about, although they say if before you give the emergency use authorization vaccines to people, they should be given information about it. So they say the FDA recommends that recipients be given as much appropriate information as possible given the nature of the emergency and the conditions of the authorization. For healthcare provider carrying out any activity concerning an emergency use authorization, recipients, and listen, this is English, recipients must be informed that the FDA CEO has authorized emergency use of the medical product and has evaluated the potential benefit and risk of the medical product. Recipients must have an opportunity to accept or refuse the emergency use product. Accept or reject. Can't people read this?
Accept or reject. We are doomed.
And must be informed of any consequences of refusing the administration of the product. Now listen. Recipients also must be informed of available alternatives to the product and of their risks and benefits. The Ghana Health Service doesn't approve vaccines. The Ghana Health Committee doesn't approve vaccines. It is the FDA that approve vaccines and approve the use of vaccines. Yes. They are saying that nobody should be forced to take a vaccine that has only been given emergency use authorization. And you
emergency use. At the end, what they saying? At a spot now, I said, "Ko onipano ehunu." And I can some that do emergency BNC. Emergency BNC. Afe we no a choice and your force. As well when you're moye. What were the moye? And now with the speed, giddy. I call vaccine. Adriania bedinti. What human I call vaccine. So be lose job. Tena na hell abeko e kom na hunya be fam no chance asu geso die Ghana yenye save FDA fo ohun eniem o ma twraba Ghana fo nsu ade enkenkan ade enti ohun yankenkan ade enti so ohun esi onipa no epa na wo de wo no ompe adna abaye compulsory one more vaccine next year 2022 from January going. Utumi for car and kwasasemo. Utumi entry moto. Utumi nkwa sorry. Utumi nko school. Andra na say enne mumwa. Enne Monday. Enne date aye or the same 21st December. And we film chem say kaswa asori oho CAC asori oho osofo ne se obi ankonko wo o me bi namu osofo ne se obi ankonko wo me rely on osofo take one decision osofo no wu adaka no nkwa na akodamu amana ne yeba nkwa na akodamu ne ebesisi a ebia no afo so se kowo no osofo no bia ne one ne yere ne ma omo ye esira se correction bebo no tat bebo nti no ono fo so se kokko basin na wankwa sara na iden asa ne papa be pa no betimi a kire ho apart from correction beji kire me tat on beji ani enima bia de bia sika on beji e de bia cause en kire no ewiase na say social media uti teachings social media de bia kan ba abonti asembe pa na akosofo no be ka kire wo a wankwa sori hana o sure say asori ntinu correction no ebebo ntinu kokko basin omo tutu asori dem mu no omo tutu so lockdown be tutu so dem mu no asofo omo ndidi ene ebinum efere agita ajofun so no kesom do ho atu nipa so na da asori begu hona mbe hu se dwuma no mo ya ma nyankopon anase mo ya ma mafura ebehwe aldemu onimsa onipa na oba dressing wode ba nye papa on kan kire ne da bi okape correction be bono mese ewiase nipa nyina chese ya fum nyame nyankopon ya fum no ade ankasi de bia ye bonifache asa we na ade ankasi ye sire nyankopon bonifache de bia bonifache we na de ye ye asafo atwen wa maso de ntia correction tight osi nyamso mpan se obi ko hwe nyanka ne akunafo ani wisia wanka se obi ko asafo we ni nyamso mpa akunafo enyanka wanka se obi ko asafo de teachings asa Micah chapter 3 the verse number 11 osi emu atitire aji ademudie emu asafo ji sika kire emu adifo so ji sika hyenkom ene hwe demonic act and e koso en sorry fie ademu edi aye bo kura na a deception aba wiase eno be kwa asore demo na odi sign Jesus picture bo na o ka se bona bo no se no enyo no ma keke na me chiro se edinu picture no mpo a deception e ndada edinu ngua se na be papa
are sitting in the confines of your home because you have already been vaccinated. You are saying everybody should be vaccinated. When those directives fly in the face of the FDA's own guidelines, is the FDA of Ghana reckless like Sabi Jenfi?
FDA for no kura no omoma approval answer obi no omo kura mo from Santos so say papa no obi ewo Africa, Ghana, especially Ghana. Say ya nebeko. O de emfa ho adwen. Nipa wo osofo. Me pastor say, me spiritual father, me ho ase, we say. Fa ho adwen. Nyankopon onye ba kofo de o. Oyo obi adea. Ti wa fa ho adwen tena ho ye osofo se a. We me ba ho so no. Na eja aiden atom makramo osofo nyame akwa yo manchia enkoma o de say ya brother Wuramten ya mami Rosie Blessed ane Sylvester Ajapa David what creation question no me pacha o de to ase bia na me ba so no abekinkan ma me ba so no abekinkan comment na mama muaye kama abode nyina sutumfo no asundwe enkan no nhira onye okese
nhira nyina ya mi madia abo senyera dimishira mema obiara ni ho betumi adumi wo nhira nyina ya